everybody and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how you can host a website in GitHub. So without further ado, let's get started with the video. So this is just going to be a straightforward and easy tutorial. I'm going to show you how you can run a website in this site. So first things first, you're going to search for or going to create or maybe upload a repository that you want to turn into a website. But for this one, I'm just going to use a website template. So for this one, I'm going to choose this first template that came up when I search website templates. And then from here, you're just going to check whether the languages are appropriate. So I have here my JavaScript, CSS, and HTML. So this is eligible for a website. So what we're going to do next is we're going to click on fork. So we're going to fork this first so that we can create our own copy, and then we can, change this a bit. Going to create fork. And then from here, I now have my own personal copy of the website template that I got from GitHub. Now what we're going to do is we're just going to hit on settings tab right here at the top. So this also applies if you're using a template from GitHub, or if you're uploading your own, or if you're creating something from scratch. This also applies. Now what you're going to do next is you're going to head over to pages right here. And then from pages, you are going to select the branch where you want to source this. So you're going to click on none, and then instead of none, you're going to click on master. Now from there, we're going to hit on save. Now from here, we're going to head back to our coding page, and then we will be able to see this yellow circle right here. And then as you can see, it is running some checks whether it can be turned into a website. Now once this yellow turns into green, it means that it's ready. Now we're going to head back to our settings, and then we're going to go back to our pages from the left side panel. And then once your website is ready, you will be able to see a live website right here. So I'm going to show you how it looks like from a website that is already ready. I already have here one of my portfolios created. Gonna head back to settings, and then I'm going to show you exactly how it's gonna look like. As you can see here, I have this section where you can see that the site is live. You're just gonna click on visit site right here, and you will be able to see your site is ready to be deployed. And that's it. That is how you can create a website from GitHub. And that's it. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this.